चलिए बेटा, एवरीबडी हियर, शो मी योर वर्कशीट्स, एसिड्स की वर्कशीट्स, शो मी योर वर्कशीट्स। डू यू हैव द वर्कशीट्स? पाइथागोरस बेटा बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ। वर्कशीट्स है आपके पास? नहीं आई? सर प्लीज देखें, क्योंकि कल वाले सेक्शन में वर्कशीट्स मिल गई थी, इनको वर्कशीट्स भी दे दो। नो प्रॉब्लम्स, नो प्रॉब्लम्स। चलिए, आई होप यू मस्ट हैव विजिटेड, यू नो, ताजमहल, राइट? बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ताजमहल विजिट किया होगा बहुत पहले, मतलब अब भी पॉलिश कर दिया गया है। सो इनिशियली इट वाज वाइट ग्लोइंग लाइक दिस, नॉट नाउ बट लेटर ऑन। ध्यान से देखना है, लेटर, नाउ नहीं हम बात करेंगे। लेटर it became yellowish tinge, white became yellowish। anybody, कोई बताएगा बेटा कि ये येलोइश क्यों हो गया? हार्डी मुझे कैमरा कंट्रोल दो बेटा। ताजमहल became yellow after some time due to air pollution। एयर पोल्यूशन से क्या हुआ? कैसे एयर पोल्यूशन? ड्यू टू, अगर हम और ज्यादा डिटेल में कहें, द येलोइश कलर ऑफ ताजमहल is due to acid rain। The rain water having some acids is called as acid rain। ठीक है, सब इधर देखेंगे। ठीक है, ये आपने एनवायरमेंट वाले चैप्टर में, कुछ सोशल स्टडीज में, कुछ साइंस का जो एनवायरमेंटल चैप्टर है उसमें पढ़ा होगा, ये आगे पढ़ोगे। एसिड रेन किस कारण है? ध्यान से इधर देखना है बेटा, समझ लो। एसिड रेन है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड गैस जब रेन वाटर से मिलती है तो क्या बनता है? दैट इज नाइट्रिक एसिड। ये आपको याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये है एसिड। सो एसिड्स क्या है? एसिड्स, एसिड्स ने क्या किया? एसिड्स कोरोड स्टोन, मार्बल, मार्बल की कोरोजन कर दी। तो फिर गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया था? जो मथुरा की रिफाइनरीज थी, यस पाइथागोरस गर्ल्स, बेटा सुन लो, है ना, सुनो इधर। पानी बाद में पीना, क्लास के बाद, क्लास से पहले सुनो, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं बेटा, लिसन केयरफुली। सो एसिड्स बने कैसे? जो पॉइजनस गैसेस व्हीकल्स में से, इंडस्ट्रीज में से निकलती हैं, दे कंबाइन विद वाटर टू फॉर्म एसिड्स। सो व्हेन द रेन कम्स, some acids are formed, they come along with rainwater। So these acids present in the water, they corrode, marble। और उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया? जो मथुरा रिफाइनरीज थी, ताजमहल के आसपास थी, वो बंद करवाई, थोड़ा सा एयर पोल्यूशन पे कंट्रोल किया, कुछ मार्बल को पॉलिश किया, तो फिर जो है इस तरह से दिखने लगता, राइट? तो एसेट्स है क्या है? व्हाट आर एसेट्स? एसेट्स में क्या चीज है जो वो एसेट्स? ठीक है, हम इस पे बात करेंगे। देन नेक्स्ट हम आ जाते हैं बेटा कि हैव यू एवर स्टडीड, यू नो, रमनप्रीत, हम इसका नाम रमन ही रखते हैं। रमन, he is suffering from acidity. उसको एसिडिटी हो रही है, उसके पेट में दर्द हो रही है, स्टमक एक हो रही है, वोमिटिंग की फीलिंग है। What is this acidity? Right? Ramanpreet is suffering from acidity. He is sad. उसके स्टमक एक है, वोमिटिंग की फीलिंग है। What causes acidity? What is acidity? Yes, Richardson. Anybody from Richardson? Towards window. एक बच्चा अकेला बैठा है थर्ड बेंच पे, थर्ड और फोर्थ बेंच पे, the boy. Yes, you come. Tell me, nutrition in animals हमने किया है. Tell me what is acidity? Ramanujan, am I audible now? Raise your hands if I am audible, Ramanujan. Okay, very good. हाँ जी रिचर्डसन, बोलो बेटा।
एसिड होता है।
एसिडिटी क्या चीज है बच्चे? माइक ऑन रखो बेटा। सम अदर स्टूडेंट विल टेल मी। हाँ जी, एनी गर्ल फ्रॉम दिस सेक्शन, रिचर्डसन? हाँ जी, फर्स्ट मिडल रो में जो फर्स्ट बेंच पे गर्ल बैठी है लेफ्ट साइड में, वो आके बताए एसिडिटी क्या चीज है बच्चे। आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।
Is Ramanujan problem solved?
हाँ जी सर।
It's done. Okay. Thank you.
हाँ जी बेटा, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एसिडिटी?
सॉल्यूशन।
इट इज corrosion. एसिडिटी। आप बैठो बेटा। एनीबडी? यस, पास्कल द बॉय, यस, कम बेटा। माइक ऑन करो, जूम से ऑन करो बेटा माइक। समबडी हेल्प हिम। हाँ
मैम, एक्सेसिव रिलीज ऑफ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड।
yes, it is excessive release of hydrochloric acid from our stomach. ठीक है, लिखो जरा क्वेश्चन लिखिए। राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन। What causes acidity? What causes acidity in our digestive system? What causes acidity in our digestive system? So, excessive production of HCl. आप पूरा नाम लिखना, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। Excessive production of HCl in our stomach when we eat spicy fluid, spicy food, I'm sorry. जब हम बहुत सारा स्पाइसी खाना खा लेते हैं, there is excessive production of hydrochloric acid which causes acidity. ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाइए, इसी में ही सेकंड क्वेश्चन आ जाइए। Which component of food is not digested if HCl production stops? which component of food? You must have studied in class 6 that there are components of food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, roughage. All these are components of food. Which component of food is not digested if HCl production stops? Yes, Hardy में roll number 7 from Hardy. Yes बेटा, आजा जल्दी से आजा. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, किसकी डाइजेशन रुक जाती है? माइक ऑन कर बेटा पहले. हाँ जी, अब बोलो बेटा. क्वेश्चन है कि फूड का कौन सा कंपोनेंट है जो HCl के बिना डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता? मैं तुम्हें 3 ऑप्शंस देती हूँ, उसमें से बताओ, ज्यादा नहीं. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स की फैट्स? यस, इट इज प्रोटीन्स. बिल्कुल ठीक है, बैठो बेटा. सो आंसर इसका लिखो प्रोटीन्स. Proteins will not be digested properly if there is no HCl. Right? Next question लिखिए. What are acids? हमने कहा एसिड रेन है, हमने कहा एसिडिटी है, एसिड के कारण है, मार्बल की कोरोजन एसिड्स के कारण है. बट एसिड्स है क्या है? यस, टेल मी, हु विल टेल मी? थेल्स. थेल्स में मिडल रो, लास्ट बेंच, द गर्ल विद येलो शर्ट. आ जाइए. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एसिड्स? आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ जल्दी से. माइक ऑन करो बेटा. What actually are acids? How can you define acids? रामानुजन में से कोई? हाँ जी बेटा, माइक ऑन कीजिए पहले. पीछे नहीं, पास कर सीधे. हाँ जी बेटा बोलो. बाकी सब चुप करेंगे. हाँ, only this girl will speak. Yes, again speak बेटा. Acids are sour in taste. Acids are the chemicals which are sour in taste. These are corrosive in nature. ठीक है, very good. लिखिए. Everyone write down. Acids are the chemicals. दिख रहे हैं आपको कि नहीं? Acids are the chemicals which are sour in taste, which are corrosive in nature. And remember that जो मैं पॉइंट बता रही हूं ये स्टार डाल के लिखना है. Acids have, ये अभी तो आपको याद ही करना पड़ेगा, हाइड्रोजन आयंस, जिसको हम लिखते हैं H पॉजिटिव, हाइड्रोजन आयंस. एसिड सार क्यों है? एसिड्स कोरोसिव क्यों है? क्योंकि इनमें हाइड्रोजन आयंस है. एसिड्स हैव हाइड्रोजन आयंस. और the substances which have lot of hydrogen ions are acids. लिख लो, एक और लाइन लिख लो. The substances or chemicals. The chemicals. पाइथागोरस. हाँ जी बेटा, लिख ले बेटा, लिख ले, कॉपी खोल ले, बच्चे को खोल लो. The chemicals which consist of, yes girls इधर, the chemicals which consist of lot of hydrogen ions are acids. नेपियर जल्दी से. The chemicals which consist of lot of hydrogen ions are called as acids. So why acids are sour in taste? Hydrogen ions के कारण. Why acids are corrosive in nature? Hydrogen ions. ठीक है जी. Now, then हम बात करते हैं बेटा कि एसिड्स बचे दो टाइप के, राइट? कौन से दो टाइप के हैं? एक तो हमें नेचुरल मिलते हैं और एक हम फैक्ट्रीज में, लैब्स में बनाते हैं. सो टाइप्स ऑफ एसिड्स. स्ट्रेंथ पे भी हम बात करते हैं. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स, वीक एसिड्स. स्ट्रॉन्ग जो है ये बहुत जला देते हैं, किसी भी चीज पे गिरे उस चीज को बर्न कर देते हैं. तो दीज आर हाईली कोरोसिव, है ना? जो हम करते नहीं है एसिड अटैक्स की बातें हम करते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट एसिड अटैक्स? डू यू नो? हाँ जी, पास्कल में एक बच्चे को पता है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को पता है ना? हम करते हैं, किसी से दुश्मनी है ना? हमने किसी से मार्केट में से एसिड लिया, उसके चेहरे पे गेर दिया, उसके हाथों पे गेर दिया, उसके पैरों पे गेर दिया. दिस इज एसिड अटैक, राइट? उससे क्या होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स. अब मार्केट में एसिड्स एज सच नहीं मिलते हैं. अगर आप कहीं लेने जाओ कि हमें एसिड की बोतल दे दो, दे डोंट गिव यू एसिड्स, राइट? सो एसिड्स आर हाईली corrosive. अगर एसिड जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स है, अगर उसकी ड्रॉप्स भी कुछ हमारी स्किन पे गिर जाए, आवर स्किन विल गेट बर्न्ड, है ना? बहुत सारी लड़कियों के साथ ऐसे जो है अनफॉर्चुनेट एक्सीडेंट्स हुए हैं, ठीक है, इन विच सम पर्सन दे थ्रू एसिड्स ऑन द फेस ऑफ द गर्ल्स, राइट? ये होता तो किसी के साथ भी है, बट गर्ल्स के साथ ये ज्यादा हुआ है. सो ड्यू टू विच their whole face gets disfigured, सारी स्किन जल गई and all that, right? So strong acids highly corrosive. एग्जाम्पल आ जाता है बेटा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड जो हमारे पेट में है, स्टमक में है. सेकंड है सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. थर्ड है नाइट्रिक एसिड. और भी है बट ये दो तीन जो है दीज आर इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट ऑन? दीज आर हाईली corrosive acids. Then weak acids, very less corrosive. हमारी बॉडी पे एक्ट नहीं करते, ठीक है? वेरी लेस corrosive. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जितने भी हमारे फ्रूट्स में एसिड प्रेजेंट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल citric acid in, you know, that your oranges. Then lactic acid in curd. Malic acid in apple. Tartaric acid in imli. Acetic acid in vinegar. सिरका जो है, these are weak acids. They do not, हम इनको खाते हैं, हम इनको जूसेस में लेते हैं, हम इनको अपने फूड आइटम्स में यूज करते हैं. They are not corrosive, but कई बार ये स्टोन्स वगैरह को करोड करते थे, उनका डिस्कलरेशन करते थे. But generally these are non corrosive. ठीक है जी. Then one more thing, that is ये जितने हैं, all these, generally एसिटिक एसिड भी कई बार हम लैब में, but generally these are natural acids. और ये जो तीनों है जनरली, ये क्या है? सिंथेटिक एसिड्स. जो HCl है, बोथ नेचुरल, क्योंकि हमारे में मिलता है, ऑल्दो हम निकालते नहीं है, नेचुरल एंड सिंथेटिक. HCl is both, but it is highly corrosive. Name the acid which is both natural as well as synthetic, that is hydrochloric acid. ठीक है जी. चलिए. So next is Harpreet went to the chemistry lab and when she came out of lab, there were holes in her lab coat. How holes were formed? केमिस्ट्री लैब में गई, वहां पे कुछ छेड़ा छुड़ा है, बट क्या क्या रीजन हो सकता है? मोस्ट प्रोबेबल रीजन क्या है कि उसके लैब कोट में होल्स हो गए? यस, हार्डी. हाँ जी, हार्डी में टुवर्ड्स वॉल, फर्स्ट बेंच पे जो गर्ल है वो आ जाओ, राइट साइड वाली. यस, कम 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 आ जाइए, माइक ऑन करो. उसके बाद पाइथागोरस थेल्स का नंबर है. हाँ जी बेटा. What is question है? मैंने कहा कि हरप्रीत जो है केमिस्ट्री लैब में गई, है ना. देयर मे बी सम हरप्रीत इन योर क्लास. तो वो केमिस्ट्री लैब में गई और वो लैब को डाल के गई, ठीक है. बट जब वो केमिस्ट्री लैब से बाहर आई तो उसके लैब कोट में छोटे छोटे होल्स हो गए थे, एक दो जगह. तो वो होल्स कैसे हुए? हाँ. चल, मैं एक, आप यहाँ खड़े रहना, मैं आपको एक और स्टोरी जो है ना वो आपको दिखाती हूँ. लेट मी शो. So Harpreet went to the lab and she was wearing a lab coat on which there were no holes. ठीक है, कोई नहीं, नया नया लैब कोट था, वो गए। ठीक है, तो वहां पे बहुत सारे एसिड्स पड़े हुए थे। Their teacher told them not to touch anything, but Harpreet जो है, she touched some beakers and all that, right? And but she observed that she had holes in her lab coat. उसने कोई एक पिपेट, उसने कोई एक पाइप उठाई जिसकी वजह से उसके लैब कोट में होल्स हो गए। किस लिए हुए? क्या चीज उसने उठाई होगी? किसके ड्रॉप्स उसके लैब कोट में पड़ गए? यस हार्डी। सिर्फ पास्कल के स्टूडेंट्स को। यस रामानुजन। रामानुजन में द गर्ल टुवर्ड्स वॉल, एक वॉल के साथ गर्ल है जिसका हाथ खड़ा है, बेटा आप आओ। पास्कल एक मिनट, एक मिनट, हमें रामानुजन से पूछने तो, माइक ऑन करो और बताओ। इसके ड्रॉप्स उसके उसके हाथ में एक पिपेट है और कुछ ड्रॉप्स उसके लैब कोट में पड़ रहे हैं। तो दीज ड्रॉप्स आर फॉर्म्ड ऑफ व्हाट? रामानुजन आपका माइक ऑफ हो गया।
मैम विच वन क्वेश्चन?
बेटा मैंने कहा कि उसके कोट में छेद हो गए, उसका कोट जगह जगह से जल गया। किस कारण जला? किस चीज के, किस केमिकल के ड्रॉप्स उसके लैब कोट पे गिरे होंगे?
हाइड्रोक्लोरिक।
हाइड्रोक्लोरिक सम एसिड। ठीक है, तो लैब कोट burned at few places because some drops of acid has fallen on her lab coat. So this shows that acids are corrosive in nature. Corrosive means जला देता है, right? Then ये आपको पता चला कि acids are corrosive in nature. Then so this is again Rohan. Rohan wants to go to the playground. So he had, orange juice, pineapple juice, and then lemon water, right? What is common between the three? What is common between the three? Orange juice, pineapple juice, lemon water. What is the common between the three? Yes. हाँ जी, नेपियर में से somebody from Napier. What is the common thing between? सर नेपियर में से किसी को भेजिए। व्हाट इज द कॉमन थिंग बिटवीन ऑरेंज जूस, देन लेमन वाटर, देन मौसमी जूस या पाइनएप्पल जूस?
एसिड।
ऑल आर एसिड्स तो है, बट हम क्या कहेंगे? ऑल आर सार इन टेस्ट। ठीक है, व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन दीज जूसेस? ऑल हैव सेम टेस्ट, खट्टा खट्टा सा, सब में स्टिंगी सा खट्टा सा टेस्ट है, सार इन टेस्ट ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिड्स, राइट? देन अब मेरा क्वेश्चन एक और है, ये आपने ऑब्वियसली ये पढ़ा भी हुआ है। HCl is a strong and highly corrosive acid. But why it cannot burn our stomach? जहां पे इतना सारा एसिड है, why it cannot burn? जल क्यों नहीं जाता हमारा स्टमक? इतना सारा एसिड है। रिचर्डसन, रिचर्डसन में बेटा, यस, आपके लेफ्ट साइड में लास्ट में एक ब्लू शर्ट में बॉय बैठा है, आजा बेटा। Why HCl in our stomach does not corrode our stomach? जल्दी से। माइक ऑन कर बेटा और आजा। रिचर्डसन, यस। बिकॉज हाँ
Because the stomach has the acid.
बिकॉज अवर स्टमक हैज, दोबारा से, किस चीज की लाइनिंग होती है स्टमक की वॉल के अंदर? किस चीज की लाइनिंग है बेटा?
Acid.
एसिड तो अंदर पड़ा है ना, ये देखो, ध्यान से देखो, ये स्टमक है, इसकी जो वॉल है, ये वॉल है, यहाँ पे एसिड पड़ा हुआ है, ये एसिड है। तो ये स्टमक की जो वॉल है, इसको जला क्यों नहीं देते? बिकॉज HCl तो जो है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। तो स्टमक हमारा जल क्यों नहीं जाता है? यस, एनीबडी रेज योर हैंड्स इफ एनीबडी नोज। सिर्फ पास्कल में पता है और किसी को नहीं पता। थेल्स में बेटा, टूवर्ड्स विंडो, लास्ट सेकंड बेंच, लास्ट सेकंड बेंच, द बॉय, यस। हाँ हाँ हाँ, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, माइक ऑन करो जल्दी से। और मुझे ये बताना है बेटा कि why the HCl, hydrochloric acid, present in our stomach does not cause burning of the stomach। बर्न क्यों नहीं कर देता, जला क्यों नहीं देता? हाँ जी बेटा। हाँ जी, एक और हाथ खड़ा हुआ है बेटा, यस, मिडल रो, हेल सेक्शन, यस, कम ऑन, टेल। बोलो बेटा, बिकॉज वीक एसिड नहीं है बेटा, HCl तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है। HCl is very strong। Yes, there is a girl in Pascal, हाँ जी, जिसका हाथ खड़ा है। Yes, you come, जल्दी से आओ, जल्दी से भाग कर आओ। माइक ऑन करो। माइक ऑन करो बेटा, पास्कल में, और फिर आंसर बताओ।
Ma'am, because they contain the citric and ascorbic acid which are weak.
अरे, मैंने क्या कहा है कि HCl प्रेजेंट है हमारे स्टमक में। इसको छोड़ो, ये नहीं, इसकी बात नहीं हम कर रहे हैं। हमने वो तो आपको ठीक है कि ऑरेंज जूस में स्कॉर्बिक एसिड, सिट्रिक एसिड। हमने क्या कहा है, क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमारे पेट में, हमारे स्टमक में HCl है, why it does not burn? Yes, there is one boy। हाँ बोल बेटा, पास्कल में, हाँ जी, आजा।
Ma'am, base.
बिकॉज,
Ma'am, base.
अरे नहीं, भूल गए हो तुम सब। बिकॉज बेटा, स्टमक की जो ये वॉल है, इट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय म्यूकस। ये बताया था, म्यूकस एक स्टिकी सा सब्सटेंस है विच कवर्स द वॉल ऑफ द स्टमक, और HCl उसको क्रॉस नहीं कर सकता। लिख लो, क्वेश्चन लिखो, 2 चैप्टर्स कवर करता है, एसिड्स बेसिस, न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स। तो लिखो, दिस इज बिकॉज, राइट डाउन, दिस इज बिकॉज, this is because the stomach has the lining of mucus। Stomach has the lining of mucus, which is not affected by acids, which is not affected by acids। So in total, what we say that, ध्यान से दोबारा से, कि एसिड्स जो है, एसिड्स हैव हाइड्रोजन आयंस। These are sour in taste. These are generally corrosive. ठीक है? These are generally corrosive. There are strong and weak acids. Acids in foods are weak and are useful. And are useful. Whereas synthetic acids are strong acids. Acids are both useful and harmful. Important point बता रही हूँ. Acids in stomach help in digestion. And acid in mouth, ये मैं next time आपको बताऊंगी, cause dental caries. जो माउथ में प्रोड्यूस होता है एसिड, वो हमारे दांत खराब करता है. अदरवाइज एसिड इन अवर स्टमक, it helps in digestion. Right? So how can we know that a particular substance is an acid or a base or a salt? We will show you next time. ठीक है? अगली बार अपने टीचर से वर्कशीट ले लेना और करके आना. Right? चलिए बेटा. So next is English class. Let me give me
Welcome everyone to the class. Good afternoon. And I'm sure you have put away everything related to science. And do you have this sheet with you? Do you have this English sheet with you? If you have this, please take out your English sheet, everyone. Okay. Have you taken out your English sheet? Everyone raise your hand if you've taken out your English sheet. This English sheet, I want each one of you to have it on your desk. Yes. So today we are going to do days of the week. And you might be wondering, you have the sheet? Do you have the sheet? Okay. Good. Yes? You don't have the sheet? No. Okay, I can, please ma'am, I request you to kindly give children sheets. Which all classes don't have sheet? Which all sections? Those who don't have sheet, raise your hand. Okay. Most of you don't have? Okay. Richardson doesn't have, Pascal doesn't have, Napier doesn't have, Hardy doesn't have, Pythagoras, except for Thales. Thales, you have sheet? Okay, let me, I request the teachers present to kindly, ma'am, and Thales, if the children need sheets, could you please help them? If they don't have, because some of them raise their hands. They raise their hands to, okay. Teachers, please help arrange for the sheets. Okay, so here we are. We can begin the class. Although you don't have the sheet, but we can begin the class. Now, you might be wondering that you are in grade 7 and why I'm doing days of the week with you. So there are 3 things, you know, we always feel so there is normally like, you know, a chart which you can make. This is known as KWL chart. Okay, this is a chart. You can all make this KWL. K is what you know. What you know. So you already know the names of the days of the week. You already know, like, you know, everything, all this. So this is I know. So this is I know. This is want to know and what you learned. So you can normally, like, you know, you can make this chart. Now today, I'm going to do this with you. In your, if you have the sheet, at the back, you can make this chart. You already know about days of the week. You want to know and what you learned today. Okay. So there will be clear division of things, compartmentalization, and you will know that what more information you have gathered. So this is very important. Now see, everybody says Monday, but we say in many different ways. Okay. So here we have, here, this is the right way to say month, Monday. Okay. So it's like you will say just Monday, Monday. So it's like Monday. Now see, Tuesday. It's like Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday nahi hota. But 99% of the people in India, we say Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. It's Tuesday. The sound comes. It's Tuesday. Okay. So you will repeat this. Keep on repeating this in your mind, all of you. Okay. It's month. You know, you makes a sound. Okay. So it's Monday. Not like O sound. Okay. It's Monday because U makes a sound. Okay. That's why we say U for umbrella. It makes like, you know, a sound. So here, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now see, note the dropped syllable. The whole syllable has been dropped, N-E-S. Okay, so we say Wednesday. It's like nobody says Wednesday. Nobody says Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Okay, this is the right pronunciation. Same here. It is not Thursday. Many people say Thursday. It is a wrong pronunciation. It's Thursday, the sound. Thursday. Okay? Thursday. It's fry. You fry things. You fry, like, you know, you eat fried food. So it's Friday, not Friday, which is a very common thing, Friday. People will understand what you say, but your pronunciation is totally off the track. So it's Friday. Okay? Fry, F-R-Y, Friday. Saturday. It's not Saturday. It's not Saturday. It's Saturday. Okay? And I have seen in Punjab, I've noticed many people will say Saturday. बहुत जने बोलते हैं. So it is Saturday. Then we have Sunday. Like you have month, you have Sunday. So you will, जहाँ पे बड़े words हैं, you will put stress on that. Month. The stress will be on month, day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so who will come out and repeat this? Who will come out and repeat all these words? Who thinks have, which one of you think, फटाफट आ गया मुझे. I have picked this up. आ जाओ. You can come and you can pronounce. because this needs little bit of practice. I won't say it needs a lot of practice, but a little bit. Who will come out? Anyone from Thales? Anyone who wants to volunteer from Thales to come out and read this? Okay. Nobody? Anyone from Ramanuja? None? I thought I would see a lot of hands raised. Yesterday, class 7 was so excited about it. Richardson? Aajao. Richardson, middle row, fourth bench. The little girl raised her hand and then put it down. Come, beta. Aajao. Come. Come, sweetheart. Come. You should never hesitate. Okay? While learning, never hesitate. Okay? Because once we hesitate, we stop learning. So please come forward. Pascal, anyone wants to come out? Very good. Richardson. Yes, there's another girl. You can also come out, beta. Last bench. Aap bhi aa jao, Richardson. Aap bhi aa jao. The girl sitting on the last bench next to the teacher. You also, you can both read it. Yeah, one time each. Yes. Beta, 8 minutes. Start reading from here. I want to see how you read this also. Okay? Yes. There is too many sounds. Okay, I want only one person speaking. Okay. How do you say this? Pronunciation. Pronounce नहीं होता, pronunciation. It is pronunciation. Okay. Pronunciation chart. Yes. Now start. Monday. Tuesday. Yes. Wednesday. Okay. This is Wednesday. Yes. Next. Very good. Thursday. Friday. Like you're frying something. Okay. Yes. Saturday. So first you have to be a little careful and then yes, very nice. This is
Sunday.
Very good. Sunday. Okay. So the letters which are capital, that is the syllable where you have to stress. Dusra, lightly, softly, it will go. Who will come next? I want at least 4 or 5. I want at least one child from every classroom because this is your practice. Who will come? Okay. Richardson, I can see a hand raised. Last bench. Aaja beta. Middle row. And I've seen more girls volunteer. Why? Okay, the girls will always be better than boys then. Yes, I can see someone raising a hand in Pascal. Aap bhi aa jao. Aap bhi aa jao. Yes. Yes, both the boys. First, the girl from Richardson will speak, then you will speak. Okay? One by one. Yes, Richardson. Girl, you speak, beta.
Of the week pronunciation chart.
Wait. I'll make a correction here. Okay? Pronunciation. Okay? Nunciation. फिर से बोलो बच्चे.
Pronunciation chart.
Very good. Pronunciation. Everybody repeat in your mind so that this becomes absolutely clear. Very good. Pronunciation chart. Yes. Bolo.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Excellent. It's Monday, Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Very nice. Good. Very good. Next, who will come? Those two boys who had come out.
Days of the week.
Yes.
Pronunciation chart.
Perfect. Very nice.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Yes.
Thursday,
Yes.
Friday.
बेटे फ्राई नहीं बोलना है फ्राई. ओके वो हमारा थोड़ा हमने अपने तरीके से फ्राई को लाइक यू नो फिश फ्राई हम फ्राई बोल देते हैं. ओके फ्रेंच फ्राइज बोल देते हैं. इट्स फ्राइज. Okay, so it's Friday. Friday. Okay,
Saturday,
very good.
Sunday.
Very nice. There was a lot of clarity, beta. Very good. Yes. Now the other child who came, the other boy who was with him, and then I have seen from Pascal house there are 2, 3 children who want to speak. Ajo beta, come out. And one by one you can all read out. जितनी practice हो जाएगी, जितनी बार सुनोगे, it's going to be good for all of you. Okay? Yes. Start.
Days of the week.
Very good.
Pronunciation chart.
Okay. Pronunciation. Okay. Pronunciation chart. Very good. Yes.
Pronunciation chart.
Very good.
Monday, Tuesday,
Yeah.
Wednesday,
Wednesday. Wednesday. W-E-N Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Yes.
Thursday,
Very good.
Friday,
Very nice.
Saturday,
Perfect.
Sunday.
Very nice. Very nice. See, things are becoming much more clearer. Okay, all the children from the Pascal house, one by one, you can read, and then we can move on to the next page. Okay, come on.
Days of the week. Pronunciation chart.
Pronunciation. Very good. Pronunciation. कई बार like it doesn't sit well with your tongue, so 2, 3, 5 बार अपने मुंह में बोलते रहो, like but little loud, like pronunciation, 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 and then you will be perfect. Yes, very good. Here.
Monday,
Very good.
Tuesday,
Very good.
Wednesday,
Now see, and Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday. Okay, it's W-E-N. इसमें stress करना है when the sound will come, छोटी सी and day. Very good. Then
Thursday,
perfect.
Friday,
Very good.
Saturday,
Very nice.
Sunday.
Very good. So we will check our own mistakes. Yes, when we are learning, we don't have to worry. We all make mistakes and then we learn from it. So children who learn from it, they do much better than children who don't learn from it. Okay. So next one, who wants to come and say this? I'll just take 2 more children and then we can move to the next page. Yes.
Days of the week. Pronunciation chart.
Very good. Pronunciation chart. Perfect.
Monday, Tuesday,
Very good.
Wednesday,
Perfect.
Thursday,
Very nice.
Friday,
Perfect. Fry. Fry नहीं बोलना. Fry. Okay. Friday. There is a small difference, but it makes a big difference. Okay. Friday. Yes.
Saturday,
Yes.
Sunday.
Perfect. Very nice. One more child I'll take. Yes. One more person can come and read it out. Is there anyone, or we can move on to the next page? What do you want me to do? Now, in this KWL chart, what you knew, what you learned. Can anyone come and tell me what did you learn? Something? I'm sure you have something to tell me. Anyone from Ramanuja? Anyone? Okay, there is a boy in Thales who wants to come and tell me what he learned. Yes, Bache, what did you, do you want to say something or you just want to walk around the class? Nobody learned anything. No one. Okay, Pascal, I can see your hand is, I'm excited. Aja beta. How? Very good. Very good. But just share things. That is how we make a thread, a link. of thoughts. Yes. What did you already know and what did you want to know and what did you learn? I just want what did you learn?
Pronunciation.
Yeah, you learned the right pronunciation. Okay, we were all making lots of mistakes. I know that. Okay, you will agree with me that we did make a lot of mistakes, and today we have learned the right pronunciation. And these are like very, very everyday words we use. Now, your duty is, or your responsibility is that you speak like this. And you will not even, like, in a few days, you will be well versed. This is how we start speaking the right way. Okay? Okay, thank you, Victor. Sit down. Now let's move to the next page. Did you get the sheets or you still haven't got the sheets? Did you get them or did you not? Do you have the sheets with you? No? Okay, I think so your teachers are distributing them. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Yeah. Now you must be wondering, yeah, this is something to wonder about. Like, what is something you wonder? Like, why we have these planets here? Okay, and I won't say sun is not a planet, it's a star, and obviously moon is not a planet, but rest all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are planets. So not 7, 5 planets and sun and moon. Okay, sun is a star, we all know, and moon is a satellite of the earth, we know. They are not planets. Okay, so here we can write 5 planets, the sun and the moon. And the most powerful of all these is what? Can anyone tell me? The most powerful of all these here. Very good, Pascal House. Middle row, so many boys. Okay, the boy who stood up and wanted to answer. Aajo, God ke aajo beta. Very nice. Out of all these, which is the most powerful? Yes. What is the most powerful?
Ma'am, sun.
Very good. The sun is the most powerful. Okay, so now let me tell you a very interesting story. In ancient times, when the calendar started and people started the day of the week, that dates back to some around 5,600, 800 years ago. Okay, that time people believed in gods. Okay, people believed, like, obviously astronomy, which is the science of all these celestial bodies. जो ये आसमान में हमें तारे और सब दिखते हैं ना, इनको हम celestial bodies बोलते हैं. Okay, sun, moon, planets, stars, all are celestial bodies. इसकी science was not very advanced, but yet those people knew something. They did know a lot. Now there were 3 different kind of civilizations. Okay, so I will write down the first one: Roman. Okay, then I will write the Greeks. And I will write the Norse. Okay, it is pronounced as Norse. Okay, so they were the 3 ancient civilizations in Western countries. Pythagoras, are you not paying attention, bache? Pay attention. This is something very interesting. Okay, and you are going to learn a lot. So there were these 3 civilizations and they were doing a lot of work on days. So they started naming the days after their gods. Okay, and then later on, one by one, the things changed and how the days got their name. So because Sunday was the most important, sun was the most powerful, so the first day of the week was named Sunday. Okay, the first day after sun. It is Sun's day. This is Moon's day. Okay, like this. So now we will see how. Now, one more thing I want you to know is, what do we call Sunday in Hindi? What do we call? Okay, Pascal House. So the Pascal House wants to answer all the questions. Very good. That girl by the wall who just stood up. Aajo bache, aajo. What do we call Sunday in Hindi? Yes. Yes. Bolo. Bolo beta. I did not hear you. Ravivar. Yes, Ravivar. What do we call Monday? What do we call Monday? What do we call? Somvar. Now, have you seen one similarity? Have you seen a similarity? Who will tell me what is the similarity? Okay, that girl who has raised her hand in Pascal. Aaja beta. What is the similarity between Sun's Day and Ravivar? Yes, beta, bolo. Sun's Day and Ravivar. What is the similar? Yes.
मैम मंगलवार.
हाँ, लेकिन इन दोनों में similarity क्या है? Ravi and Sun's Day. Sunday is Sun's Day and Ravivar in Hindi we say sun. Ravi in Hindi is the name of the sun. You must have done the Prayavachi of Suraj, Aditya, Ravi. So it is Ravi is also sun and we say Sun's Day. Okay. So basically you see, so different civilizations, but the importance is the same and the name given to all the days are also the same. Okay. They are also the same. So basically Ravivar is sun and it is Sun's Day. Som. Som is another Prayavachi of moon. So it is Moon's Day. And so here it is Somvar. Again, it is the same. Moon's Day. Now, what is Tuesday? What is Tuesday? Who will tell me what is Tuesday? Yes. Tails. I want those girls and the boy in green. Please come out. You can tell me the rest of the week, both of you. What is Tuesday? Mangalvar. Stay there. Stay there. So it is Mangalvar. Okay. Now you will say, you will see, this is Mars is Mangal. In Hindi, Mars को मंगल बोलते हैं. Okay, so this is again, it is Tuesday is Tweeday, Tuesday, and this is Mangal. Same. Imagine they were in a different civilization, different part of the world. They didn't even know that there was this existence of this on the other side, yet the same names. What do we call Mercury? What do we call Mercury in Hindi? Budh. And so the name is Budhvar. बुद्धि बोलते हैं ना Mercury को? No. इसको बोलते. So what do we call Mercury in Hindi? Anyone will tell me? Yes? So here again, the same planet, Mercury. What do you call Thursday in Hindi? Yes, what? Guruvar. This planet is called Guru. Like, this Jupiter is called, or Brahaspati. It is also called Brahaspati. And Hindi, we also call it Brahaspativar. Okay, so see the same planets were given the same name. So it is like, Guruvar. Guruvar, or we can also say Brahaspati. And this planet is also called Brahaspati or Guru, both. Friday, Venus. Venus को क्या, Friday को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? Hardy house. There is a boy who's raised his hand. आ जाओ बेटा, middle row. Friday को क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Venus, Friday को क्या बोलते हैं? What is the name for Friday? Shukrivar. Yes. Shukrivar. And this is Shukra. Okay, this is Shukra. Venus is Shukra. Now Saturn को क्या बोलते हैं? इसको क्या कहते हैं? Saturday को क्या बोलते हैं? बताओ. Tell me, what do you call Saturday? Okay. इसको बोलते हैं शनिवार. Shanivar, and this is Shani. Okay, this is Shani. Saturn is known as Shani. So see whether it is the whichever calendar it is. Okay, we are following the Western calendar, the Gregorian calendar, but you see how they have the same planets and sun and the moon. Okay, the day name given to the days are the same. So I'm sure you have learned this today. This is a very big learning today. Okay, now let us move from here. Now, how did the names come? Okay, so how did the names come? Why did they name it after the planets? Here. So we have this huge thing. If you have the sheet, start reading it. Start reading it. Now, if you have this sheet, read out this part, because this is something for you to understand. Read out this part, that the days of the week are named after Roman god Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, plus the sun and the moon. Okay? Yes. So these are named after all these gods. Now, you will wonder, this Nords, okay? Who are these Nords? They were the people who live in Scandinavian countries. They are the people who live in Sweden, Denmark, Finland, like you can say the Northern Europe. Okay, all these people up to Germany, these people they are called the Norse people. It is pronounced as Norse. Naws. So now you will see, this is Sunday is named after Roman sun god Sol. Okay. Monday is named after Norse moon god Mani. Tuesday, day of the war. It is called the day of the war. Norse god Twi. Tew. It is pronounced as like this, Tew. That is why it is called Tuesday. Okay, it's the day of Norse god of war. Then Wednesday is day of speed, and it is based on Germanic god. Okay, so he was called Woden's. So Wednesday, it became Wednesday, became Wednesday over the period of time. Thursday, day of thunder, is again the Norse god of thunder, Thor. So Thor's day became Thursday. Then Friday, day of love, Norse love goddess Frey. Okay, Frey. So Frey's day became Friday. And Saturday is Saturn's day, Roman god Saturn, god of abundance, wealth, agriculture, periodic renewal, and liberation. So it became Saturn's day, Saturday. Saturn's day became Saturday. So this is how the names were given to these days of the week. Okay, everyone? Now I have a question for all of you. First question, which is the weekend? Which day is called the weekend? Who will answer this question? Which day? Okay, Pascal House, first row. आ जाओ बेटा फटाफट. Yes. Which
Sunday.
Sunday weekend? Okay. Pythagoras, you want to give me the answer? आ जाओ बेटा. The girl was raised and which day is called the weekend? Which day is called the weekend?
Sunday.
Which one?
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, so we all feel Sunday, but Saturday is known as the weekend. Okay, Saturday is called, okay, I will do it on the weekend. So Saturday is the weekend and Sunday, हमारा जो इंडिया का नेशनल कैलेंडर है ना, India's first day of the week is Sunday. First day of the week in India is Sunday, but because now, according to international standards, even our national calendar says that first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is the first day of week in America, in Canada, in Japan. Okay, there are some countries who say Monday is the first week of the day, and these countries are in Europe. But because now of the MNC culture, multinational culture, and because everybody is working, so Monday is considered as the first day of the week. But even today, in America, in Canada, in Japan, even in India, Sunday is considered as the first day of the week. But now, what are we doing? We are following a Monday to Friday schedule because internationally people are working on this way. There are countries, Muslim countries, who think Saturday is the first day of the week. Okay, so there is little bit of confusion, but now everybody is working from Monday to Friday for convenience. So this you have to keep in mind. This was something I wanted to give you for awareness. I just want you to know one more thing because time is up. Tell me which is the best favorite day of the week for you. Who will come and answer this? Which is the favorite day? Yes, Thales, that girl raised her hand. Just quickly come out. Yes, girl. You are on my right, you are sitting. Okay, center. Which is your favorite day of the week and why? Yes, Polo? Sunday. Why? Okay, because everybody, it's a day you can rest and relax. So Sunday it is mostly everybody's. And which is the most hated day of the week? The most hated day of the week. Okay. Tails, on my right, on my left, there is a boy who is raised and white shirt. Aajo beta, fatafat. Yes, the boy who turned back and here. So which is the most hated day of the week? Monday. Yes, Monday. That is why there are idioms like Monday blues. Like, oh, I'm suffering from Monday blues. Because people, and they say, thank God it's Friday because they know that the weekend is there. They are going to start their weekend from Saturday and Sunday. So this was basically to make your pronunciation right for the days of the week. I hope everybody will now follow this pronunciation and give you some added information. Hope you enjoyed the class. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe and happy. And bye for today. Meet you next week. Okay? And I'll come up with something very interesting again.